Yeah.
Okay, which one of you wants to play a game?
Her.
You're going to play a game? Okay. Here, take the egg. Take the egg. You take the camera. Okay? You ready? Put the egg in the shot glass.
Am I going to get egg on me?
No, you're not going to get egg on you. Okay? Give me one of your thumbs. Put your thumb up.
Okay.
Like this. Okay? I've got bread ties that I'm going to put around your thumb. Like that. Okay?
They really are bread ties.
Yeah, put your hands behind your back.
Oh.
Okay? Like this. Yeah, put your thumb in there. Okay?
Oh, that's foolproof.
Yeah.
Oh,
Well, just
no, I'll never get out of these.
no. It's not for anything.
Good thing
But
I'm not a loaf of bread.
okay, shut up. Just here's the thing. Okay. Look. Now look. Okay. This is the game. You ready for this?
Yeah.
You have to get the egg from this shot glass into this shot glass. Okay.
Okay.
And nope. You can't use your hands.
Oh.
You can't use your hands. You can't use your mouth, but I wanted to see you try to do that. Okay?
Okay. So what can I use?
Your brain. You just got to get that egg into the next shot glass without touching the egg.
Without touching it?
Yeah.
How can you move something without touching it?
Yeah, it's not hard. It's very simple. Egg goes into the other shot glass.
Air.
Yep.
Air.
Yeah.
Try blowing it.
Oh, it moved.
It did move.
I think I'm onto something.
Okay.
Oh, it's gonna spill and crack in the floor.
How is it going to spill and crack in the
Well,
floor?
it's gonna roll. It's gonna roll off the floor.
Look, I'll give you the secret in a second.
Blow really hard underneath it or something.
It's about as hard as I can go.
No.
I feel like if I could get air down in there, I could move it, but there's no air. There's no way to get air in there. It's like completely sealed. Okay, the first time what did you do? The first
I didn't
time
do anything. I didn't do anything. It's still in there.
I moved it.
I could even switch shot glasses if you want to. It's not hard.
Oh, it moved a little again.
Okay. Do you want some help?
Yes.
Can I give her a hand?
Yeah, you can give her a hand if you got it figured out.
Can she touch the other shot glass?
No, she can't use her hands at all.
I see. Put it on top and flip it over.
Is that what you're gonna do? Like grab
Yeah.
the other shot glass with your mouth. Put it. I mean, you can try.
Well, I got it to move. I got it to move doing that, so that's what I'm
That's
trying.
the closest you're doing.
Yeah.
Let me help you out. Let me help you out. Okay.
Can I touch this one?
You're not supposed to use your hands at all.
Oh,
But
at all?
No. That's being tied behind your back. Very simple. Okay. Tell me when you're ready, and I'll just give you a secret. No.
All right, I give up.
Okay? If you want the secret,
I'm mad.
it's very simple, okay? Just
That's what I was doing.
oh god. No, it's very simple. Hang on.
Can I try it?
The egg's really gross now.
Yeah, we're close. Like this.
You successfully done that?
This is so dumb.
Yeah, the egg's getting kind of.
I'm lightheaded now from this.
Yeah.
I'm actually lightheaded. Okay. Gosh.
Well, you have to jump for the egg.
I'm angry.
Have you successfully done this?
Yes. Stop laughing. Listen, is how the trick works. Okay.
Maybe you forgot to switch the egg for a light.
Oh! I got it.
Yeah!